All right, we're going to show you a simple exercise called the dead bug. And what it does, it's a different exercise for your core that will help tighten your fascia.
Okay, now we're going to do the dead bug exercise. So what I'm going to have you do is lay on your back. Go to the ground, lay on your back. Hands straight up, like pointed toward the ceiling. You can have your head back. You can have your head back. You're keeping this tight. Now put your legs up like this. No, both of them up in the air.
Right.
But not that far. Like that.
Oh,
right?
Okay.
Now what you do is you'll let one arm go back and the opposite leg will straighten out. The opposite leg.
Oh.
But it goes down to the ground, but it doesn't touch the ground. Now bring it back up to this one, the way it was.
Let's do that.
No. Just stay. You never come past this.
Like.
Yes.
Right.
Don't bend the arm. Don't bend the arm. Don't look at me. Look at me. Don't bend the arm. Just straight. Yep.
Leave that.
No, don't. One arm doesn't move.
Oh.
So it's like this. One leg, other leg. Yeah, one arm doesn't move. Slow. Back up. No. Don't move that leg. One leg doesn't move.
Like that.
Bring it back up. Bring it back up. No. You're trying to do them simultaneously. All right, so stay right here. Lower down your right arm and stretch out your left leg. Do not move those other two at all. Bring them back to the starting position. Don't move that. Now do it with the opposite. Yeah. When you're doing one and you bring it back to position, you don't move the other one. You're not trying to do it simultaneously. You're trying to do one at a time. Make sense?
Yeah.
Because you really have to think about what you're doing because it's not like a natural thing that you would do.
Yeah, it's good for coordination.
So look, hold on, don't move. Left hand. So keep going. Back. Don't move that. Right. Yes. So when you're moving one arm in the opposite leg, you're not moving the other sides. Now look, here's a way to teach it. Come back, stay right there. Keep that there with the hand, no, keep it braced on your knees. Put your hands on it, up here.
All right.
Now try to move right arm and left leg. No, right arm.
Oh.
Right arm and left leg, but you're still holding it with the other two. Come back.
Right there.
Come back up.
All right.
Yeah, that's really hard, isn't it? It's advanced.
Yeah.
Other side. That's advanced. But it helps to not move the other one because it gives you a point of focus.
Yeah. It's super hard.
Yeah. That's good right there.
Well, this is the dead bug. We showed you a beginner level and also advanced level. It's made to tighten up the core, including your fascia. Like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. And also, don't forget to visit our website and schedule your free consultation today.